Create a video on TikTok about your Amazon KDP coloring books is the best way to actually make a real sales, like this TikTok page do. It creates video and added link in bio, and here all the book is here's selling. Let's click on this, and here we are on Amazon and sell food coloring book. This strategy it's actually work, and here I will show you how you can do that with AI. You don't need to create a video for yourself. Just go on this AI software, create your account. It's called Tipfridge. You find the link in the description, and here we are inside on this AI software. Click on create and upload your page as a PDF. The page you want to create video, to turn it into video, just click here, and here we choose the template. Here are 5 templates. Choose one you like it, and here we added the link to you added the title to your book. Here the hook. Choose any hook here. Here a lot of style of hook. Choose this, and here you added the call to action. It's show on video to drive traffic for link in bio. And now let's camera style, basic, blank color. We should to added color, and here let's preview the video. Your page is start coloring just with AI. You don't need to create your show in the camera or anything. Just upload your page, wait page, and here this AI is start create video and coloring, and download it and go to TikTok, upload it on TikTok and added music. That's it. This strategy it's actually work with with a call to action. Now just click on download it, and your video it's downloaded to your desktop. If you want to try this AI software, you find the link in the description, and see you the next one.